The numbers 1, 7, 19, 37 are sometimes called snowflake numbers because they can be pictured as a pattern of dots like this. A second number sequence is obtained by counting the number of dots on the lines shown in the pictures. So, with our first snowflakes, there is 1 dot and no dots on any lines. The second snowflake obviously has 7 dots and there are 7 dots on the line. The third one, there are 19 dots in total, but if you count up all the ones on the line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 dots that inhabit a line. And the same goes for our third. And obviously our fourth and fifth and so on. The fifth snowflake number is, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 snowflake numbers. Let's find the fifth one. Now we don't want to go out and draw this snowflake number. We want to use these relationships that we've found between the numbers here to try and define a rule so that we can go from one snowflake number to the next. Let's see what we have here. Between the first and second snowflake numbers, the number seems to have increased by 6. Between the second and third, the number of dots has increased by 12. Going from 19 to 37, or the third and fourth snowflake numbers, our numbers seem to have increased by 18. So, we can assume that this pattern continues. The amount that the dots is increasing by itself increases by 6. So between the fourth and the fifth, we can assume that our numbers will increase by 24. Let's see. So the fifth snowflake, if it is 24 dots more than the fourth at 37, should be 37 plus 24, which is equal to 61. This is our answer. And C.